What's going on, screen printers? It's tip drill time. Now, whether your shop is busy or you're just starting out so things aren't moving as fast, you still want to stay ready. So, if you got it, for instance, we're going to say if you got a 6-color press, let's have no minimum of 6 actual screens ready, coated and ready to burn, just in case somebody walks in and says, I want 100 shirts with this 6-color design and I need it by Tuesday. Well, guess what, player? Today is Monday. Now you ready for that job. You can dive in and focus on your artwork or whatever other setup stuff you need to do. You can talk with that customer, get their stuff going, figure out what they want, get those shirts rushed in, get that job set up, and you're ready to burn screens. Just that quick, because you already had screens sitting on deck. Now, I say if you got 6, go ahead and double it. Have 12 sitting on deck. We've got a 6-color press and an 8-color press. We try to keep our drying cabinet full, which holds 20. So, 20 screens at any given day, something walking in, it's pretty cool to just have those screens ready to go. But at the end of the day, you're going to be glad you had those screens ready. You want to at least go from looking like this to looking more something like this. Now, it was a busy week, so I actually only have about 3 of these are actually clean. I gotta go in there and clean the rest of them. I just filled them up to show you all kind of what I'm talking about. But at the end of the day, that cabinet will be right back full of screens ready to burn and whatnot. There you have it. That's a tip that can help you save money and time, which are pretty much the same because our time is money. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more tips like this, subscribe, like, ding the bell, and see what we got coming next. See you later.